Hey, welcome back to my channel. Look here, these types of nature reels are going viral nowadays all over the internet, and you can make such kinds of videos and earn thousands of dollars daily, especially on Instagram. This faceless Instagram account has gained over 45,000 subscribers in just a few videos and is making thousands of dollars every month. I will show everything with proof of how they are making thousands of dollars with this account. The best part of this niche is that you can make a similar video in just a few minutes without spending much time on a script and voiceover. You just need three things: a collection of prompts, text to image AI, and image to video AI. I've created a list of the best prompts to generate amazing images, but please forget this for now, because if you skip this video, you won't be able to generate similar images with these prompts. Your results will not be the same. You need to know some tricks. Also, you won't be able to learn how to make money with a similar account, and you will miss some valuable information to make at least $5,000 per month with these videos. So please don't skip the last part. Now, let's watch one of the videos. To make a similar video, we are going to do 3 steps. Step 1 is to generate similar AI images. To do that, we are going to use an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI. I will put the link in the video description. Now, quickly sign in with your Google account, and then you will get to this page here. You will see lots of mind-blowing AI images generated by Leonardo AI. This AI tool is not completely free. On a free account, you will get 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now click on image creation. You will get to this page. In this box, we need to type our prompt. I have created some prompts for you. You can access these prompts for free from the video description. Your job is to copy these prompts one by one and paste them into this box. You can edit these prompts to create more variations if you use Midjourney AI. You can also use the same prompts to get more high-quality images. Now make sure to select the right aspect ratio. I am going to select 9:16, but you can also select 2:3, then go to preset and select the anime preset. If you click here, you will get the results in just a few seconds. As you can see, I have generated some amazing images with this AI tool. You will find all the prompts in the video description. So we have successfully completed our first step. Step 2 is to convert images into animated videos. We can easily do that inside Leonardo AI. First, select the image and click on the small icon called Generate Motion Video, and then click here. It will take a few seconds to create the video. To save time, I am going to do the same thing with more images. Here's the final result.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This is pretty good after that. You can download all the videos by clicking on this small icon, but sometimes you may not be satisfied with the video animation because it is a new feature in Leonardo AI, so you can use another great AI tool called Immersity AI. Now if you play the video, as you can see, it's an 8-second video. If you want to make the video longer, you need to use any video editing software. For instance, I am using the CapCut app. It's free and available for all devices. If it's not available in your country, you can use any VPN to access it. So here you can see it's an 8-second video. Now, if we duplicate the video, it will be 16 seconds. And if you add a transition, no one will notice it to make the video better. I am going to increase the video speed. As you can see, now it's way better if you want to add background music. You can easily do that, but I recommend using trending music from Instagram, so your video will go viral in a few days. Our final step is to learn how to make money with these videos and how they are making money with this Instagram account. Well, if you take a closer look at their bio, you will notice that they are making money in 3 ways. The first way is by offering freelance services. They are selling these natural video creation services to their audience. As you can see right here, want unique AI art tailored just for you? Slide into my DMs. You may be wondering why people are buying these videos. Well, you will get the answer if you read some comments on their viral videos. Some people are very interested in similar videos. The second way they make money with this account is by selling wallpapers. As you can see right here for high resolution wallpaper, click here, they are actually selling the same AI generated images as wallpapers. You may be wondering why people buy these images when they can generate similar images with AI for free. Here is the main secret, although everyone can access AI. Most people can't write the best prompts to generate similar H-quality images. You will get the proof if you click on this link. As you can see, they sold over 1,800 plus wallpapers, which is just insane. If you scroll down, you will see they are selling each wallpaper for $3 to $4, which AI made in just a few seconds. I would recommend you use Midjourney to get similar high-quality images that you can sell. Leonardo, AI is not bad, but Midjourney is the best. The third way they make money with this account is by selling online courses. They are selling a course for $100 where they teach you how to generate similar AI images. Although you have learned how to do that for free in this video, you just need prompts to create images. You'll find my prompts in the description. If you need more prompts, you can message me on Instagram. So if you can grow a similar account, you can sell the same course. If you get 10 sales per month, you will make $1,000. And if you can sell your course to 50 people, you will make $5,000. This is not difficult if you have such followers, and if you know how to promote and sell. I hope you have got clear information about making money with a faceless Instagram account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to earn money using just AI, so click here and watch the complete video. Or if you want to know the darker, harsh reality of YouTube in 2025, so click here and watch it completely. I will see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye.